Hi guys, so today we visited the Irene dairy farm in Centurion. As you enter, you will see the deli and the bakery as well as the deck with the restaurant that overlooks a serene view. The deli has a variety of dairy products that you are able to purchase, such as milk, yogurts, cheese, meat products. This farm is absolutely kids friendly, good vibes. They have jungle gyms, they have tractors, they have sandpits in which kids can enjoy themselves. We were fortunate to stroll past these calves around their feeding time. Just look at how cute they are. Indeed, quite a pleasant atmosphere. And as we were exiting the farm, we got to witness these cows marching to their spot. Just look at how disciplined they are. Yes, we were amazed too.